run a simple AVG query on a column with some missing values and the result is way off. What happened? The culprit is how SQL handles nulls in aggregate functions. The key issue is that AVG does not treat null as 0. Instead, it ignores null rows completely. So when you call AVG on a column, SQL only looks at the non-null values. Any row with null in that column is skipped entirely, as if it never existed. This creates what we call the denominator effect. AVG is really sum divided by count, but the count here is the count of non-null values, not the total number of rows. So if you have 10 rows and 3 are null, AVG divides the sum by 7, not 10. That changes the average dramatically. Let's see this in action. Suppose you have 3 salary values, 10,000, null, and 30,000. You might expect the average to be 13,300, which is 40,000 divided by 3. But SQL returns 20,000 because it only divides 40,000 by 2, ignoring the null entirely. If you want nulls to be treated as 0, use COALESCE or IFNULL to convert them first. And remember, this behavior isn't unique to AVG. Count of a column skips nulls too, while count star includes every row. Understanding this is part of the SQL standard and critical for accurate aggregations. Remember, AVG skips nulls, which changes your denominator and your result. Use COALESCE when you need zeros instead. Master this and you'll avoid some of the most common SQL mistakes. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.